Hi, my name is Andy, and I'm an International Admissions Officer at Carleton University. Carleton is located in Ottawa, which is the capital city of Canada. But Ottawa is not just the heart of government, it's also the heart of the high-tech sector within Canada. This is really helpful to you if you're interested in pursuing programs like computer science or information technology or engineering, industrial design, or being in the capital city. It's also a great place to be if you're wanting to pursue political science or public affairs or international relations. But Ottawa is also the heart of the life science research facilities in Canada. So it's a great place to be if you're wanting to go into a pre-med program or perhaps the sciences. In fact, Carleton has a lot of work-study opportunities for you to get full-time paid work experience as you're earning your degree, working alongside those already in the industry and making contacts through your work. This really helps you with your career after you graduate, and it also is going to help you to do better in your studies. This is why Carleton has one of the top co-op programs in Canada, and it's also a major reason why our graduates are among the most employable of all graduates of universities in Canada. So I do encourage you to participate in the Canam events in September. If you book an appointment with Desk 3 at some point between September 7th and 18th, I would love to chat with you. Canam events are fantastic, and Canam is a great agency that can really help you with your application. If you would like to apply through Canam, they'll be able to ensure that you get a faster decision on your application. They'll be able to send your documents directly to Carleton on your behalf. And they can also have other services as well, such as helping you with the study permit application. And this is one reason why Carleton is such good friends and great partners with Canam, and we have been for a very, very long time. It's my privilege to join the Canam events in September, and I look forward to also joining the Canam events in person come April. So please book an appointment with desk number 3. I would love to chat with you. Take care. Bye-bye.